Welcome to Breakthrough AI-supported Facebook Ads for Books, an introduction to using AI to create breakthrough ads. Welcome to this course on using Facebook advertising and artificial intelligence to help more readers discover your books. If you've ever looked at Facebook Ads Manager and thought it was too complicated or wondered how anyone comes up with all those attention-grabbing ads, you're in the right place. The good news is that creating effective Facebook ads has become much easier. Artificial intelligence is changing the way authors and publishers build advertising campaigns, making it possible to create better ads in less time than ever before. Throughout this course, you'll learn how AI can become your creative assistant. One of AI's greatest strengths is generating advertising copy. Instead of spending hours trying to write the perfect primary text to appear above the image on a Facebook ad, AI can suggest dozens of options in seconds. It can create multiple versions of the primary text, each written with a different angle. For example, one version might focus on suspense, another on romance, another on a reader review, and another on the benefits readers will experience after finishing your book. Rather than guessing which message works best, you can test several versions and let the sales data reveal the winners. AI is equally powerful when creating advertising images. It can generate eye-catching backgrounds, dramatic scenes inspired by your story, genre-specific artwork, and promotional graphics that complement your existing book cover. Instead of relying on a single design, you can quickly produce multiple image variations to see which captures the most attention. AI allows you to test different visual themes that resonate with your specific genre. Facebook itself is also becoming increasingly powered by artificial intelligence. Its advertising platform can automatically test combinations of images, primary text, headlines, and calls to action. It learns from user behavior and continuously works to show your ads to people who are most likely to engage with them. AI also assists with audience targeting. Rather than trying to identify every possible reader yourself, Facebook's AI analyzes vast amounts of anonymous behavioral data to help find people who are likely to enjoy books similar to yours. This allows campaigns to become smarter over time as the system learns from the results. The Facebook AI algorithm also identifies themes in your image and shows the image to people most likely to be interested in such themes. This creates a powerful opportunity for authors to produce more ideas and make informed decisions based on real performance. Throughout this course, we'll show you practical techniques for using AI effectively. You'll learn how to create persuasive ad copy, striking images, and well-targeted campaigns that give your books the best chance of reaching new readers. Let's get started and discover how artificial intelligence can become one of the most valuable tools in your book marketing toolkit. See you in the next lesson.